Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with a backed-up company and Tally Prime open. This prevents data loss. Once done, go straight to Gateway of Tally, choose Display, then Account, Books, and Reconciliation. You must select the correct bank ledger and view the reconciliation screen. Make sure to note the current reconciliation date and entries. This helps avoid removing the wrong record. You are doing this to clear an incorrect or premature reconciliation date, not to alter transactions. Keep that distinction in mind as you proceed. Now, you navigate the reconciliation screen to the specific reconciliation batch or entry. Select it carefully. Once highlighted, choose the Alter or Delete function. Tally will prompt for confirmation and show which vouchers are linked. You should unmark the reconciled flag or delete the reconciliation record depending on your need. This removes the date, but preserves original vouchers. Make sure to review linked vouchers and unmatched transactions, because removing a reconciliation date can change. Finish by rerunning the bank reconciliation report and verifying that the reconciliation date no longer appears and that balances align. If anything looks wrong, immediately restore from your backup and repeat the steps more cautiously. This is why you backed up first. If you cannot locate the change, inspect audit logs and voucher narrations to find who altered reconciliations. One key troubleshooting tip: if Tally shows inconsistencies, export the reconciliation report and compare against your bank statement to pinpoint unmatched vouchers before reapplying any reconciliation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.